Angels, my dears. This is Angel. This is the second installation of my reimagining of my mom's Thanksgiving dishes. Enjoy! For Thanksgiving and for Christmas, my mom used to make both cornbread and biscuits. So I'm going to reimagine both of those right here. Okay, let's get to it. I'm sorry, I had to stop right here and put a wet towel underneath the bowl. It kept moving. So let's do that right here. And let's get back to the video. This was a lot of work, but it was well worth it. You'll see at the end. Okay, now back to the video. only use half a block of cheese because I wanted a faint tasting of the cheese. If you want it to be a true cheesy biscuit, use the entire block of cheese or more. Okay, back to the video. I think my mom only added cheese once or twice to her biscuits, as far as I can remember. Back to the video. Only made rolled biscuits. That's what I grew up on. But I prefer the drop biscuits. That's what I'm making now. Okay, back to the video. I'm using only 1 spoon to get the biscuit dough onto the silpat. But if you'd like to be a little neater, you can use 2 spoons. I'm using just 1 because I'm the only one who will be eating these biscuits. All right, back to the video. I had to round out each biscuit before placing this pan in the oven, as you see. Made them a little bit neater. Okay, back to the video. A link to the herb butter video will be in the description for this video. All right, back to the video. I hope you're enjoying. Be sure to slather on this herb butter. If you need to make more, make more. It's so much better when this is swimming in the herb butter. Okay, back to the video. Yes, look at that. Looks a little bit like red lobsters, doesn't it? My mom would sometimes make cornbread with her biscuits for Thanksgiving and for Christmas. So I'm giving it a try here as well. Okay, back to the video. Yikes, I made a little mess with the eggs. Be careful. Back to the video. After tasting the batter, I realized it wasn't sweet enough for me, so I added the rest of the sugar. Back to the video. Remember, when you're mixing in the dry ingredients into the wet, please don't overmix, because then you'll get tunneling, which are the holes that you see in baked goods. All right, back to the video. Thank you for staying to the very end. As I said earlier at the top of this video, this is the second installation of my reimagining of my mom's Thanksgiving dishes. Why don't you come back for the third, fourth, and the fifth? Hope to see you again. Blessings and favor.